What's up, guys? One half of the Caper couple back. So today, guys, I'm just down around Cranberry, around the Chapel Point barracks. Just gonna get you guys a bit of drone footage today and lighten up a little bit of the scary side that's going on around here, because God knows, I know everybody's scared. And amongst all that, I'm going to show you a little bit of the beauty. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to hop out of the car here. And I'm in the car because I forgot my external microphone for the camera, so hopefully it has half decent sound without it. And yeah, I'm going to get out, I'm going to start my drone up here, and I'm going to record a bit of footage around the points and stuff, and show you guys how beautiful it is here. So I'll catch you guys back in a bit. See ya. Sorry guys, so here's what we're looking at. Hopefully audio is decent. And I'm going to start the drone up. It's a little windy here, but it doesn't seem too bad, so I should be able to make it. So I'll catch you in a bit. Okay guys, I'm back, and you're never going to believe how cold it is down here. It is that cold that my hands are red and they feel like they're pretty close to frostbite. So I got you guys a little bit of footage, but I couldn't get a lot because it was just too cold to stand there with no gloves on. But I did get a nice view of Chapel Point Barracks, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Keep subscribing to my channel. We're almost halfway there, guys. We're almost halfway to the 1,000. So yeah, subscribe, give us a like, comment underneath the videos, because we love reading them. Especially myself, I love reading the comments and answering you guys. And make sure your post notifications are on, and we'll catch you later, guys.